I just want people to understand what are the different diseases seen by a pulmonologist or chest physician. We have got many diseases starting from throat to lungs, but still the awareness is very less among general public. So a real pulmonologist uh, will see many diseases, will take detailed history of the patient, what are the different symptoms starting from cough, breathlessness, chest pain, etc., and then make a mental map of the diagnosis. After making certain diagnosis, depending on the symptoms, he will advise the tests and then give treatment. Testing is done just to confirm is diagnosis. Unfortunately, nowadays people are actually going ahead with the testing first and depending on their own knowledge or Google, through Google, take their own self-treatment. Because cough and breathlessness, they are quite common. It has become increased recently also. But the diagnosis of cough and breathlessness are many diseases are involved with it. Not only of the lungs, but also extra pulmonary disease, congestive heart failure or kidney failure, liver failure. In many cases, lungs are involved. So to know exactly what is happening to the patient and how to go ahead about it. So we will be discussing each and every symptom in detail and differential diagnosis and then treatment accordingly. Because this cough and breathlessness is most neglected. Most of the time, just patients live or get accustomed with the cough and breathless for months together. And what will happen is that because of this, the lungs get permanently destroyed and certain things cannot be rectified. If lungs get damaged, only lung replacement is becomes alternative, and it's really a difficult thing to for the patients especially. So understanding different lung disorders, their symptoms, and then how to approach and how to treatment is very essential. You just simply cannot carry on with the treatment given at the shop by taking months together cough syrups or inhalers or different various medication and self-treatment. So from next series on, we'll discuss each and every symptom in detail and then the treatment followed to it. Thank you.